Have you ever noticed that despite not seeing yourself as particularly captivating, women seem to find you intriguing? If you're an older man, you might be surprised to discover that your life experiences, wisdom, and maturity can be incredibly attractive qualities to women. In this video, we'll explore 7 telltale signs that women find you fascinating, even if you don't necessarily think of yourself that way. By recognizing these subtle cues, you'll gain a deeper understanding of your own appeal and learn to appreciate the unique qualities that make you stand out. Before we explore today's topic, if you're open to transforming your dating strategies, click on the link below for a free 60-minute coaching call with one of our experts. 1. They enjoy your company. One of the clearest indications that women find you fascinating is when they actively seek out your company and enjoy spending time with you. If you notice that women consistently choose to engage with you over their peers, it's a strong sign that they find your presence compelling. Pay attention to how they behave when you're around. Do they light up when you enter the room, eager to start a conversation? Do they linger after events or gatherings, hoping to spend a few extra moments with you? These are all signs that they genuinely enjoy your company and find you captivating. When women prefer your company, it's often because they find your perspective, life experiences, and personality to be refreshing and intriguing. They may feel that conversations with you are more meaningful, insightful, or entertaining than those with their peers. If you find that women consistently gravitate towards you and seek out your company, take it as a compliment. Your unique qualities and experiences have a magnetic effect, drawing them in and leaving them wanting more of your fascinating presence. 2. They flirt subtly. Another sign that women find you fascinating is when they engage in subtle flirtation. This may manifest in playful banter, suggestive language, or even lighthearted teasing. When women flirt with you, it's often a sign that they find you attractive and want to create a special connection. Pay attention to the way they communicate with you. Do they use witty comebacks, clever wordplay, or inside jokes that only the two of you share? Do they lean in close when speaking to you, maintaining eye contact and smiling more than usual? These are all subtle signs of flirtation. Flirting is often a way for women to gauge your interest and see if there's a spark of chemistry between you. When they use playful and suggestive language, they're creating a sense of intimacy and testing the waters to see how you respond. If you find that women often flirt with you, it's a good indication that they find you charming and fascinating. They're drawn to your quick wit, your confidence, and the way you make them feel when they're around you. Embrace these flirtatious exchanges as a sign of your own magnetic appeal. 3. They seek your advice. A telltale sign that women find you fascinating is when they frequently seek your advice and guidance. Whether it's about their career, personal life, or major decisions, they value your opinion and trust your judgment. When women come to you for advice, it's because they see you as a wise and experienced figure in their lives. They believe that you have valuable insights to share and that your perspective can help them navigate challenges or make important choices. Pay attention to the types of advice they seek from you. Do they ask for your thoughts on professional matters, such as career moves or business strategies? Do they confide in you about personal issues, such as relationships or family dynamics? The topics they bring to you can give you a sense of how much they trust and respect your opinion. When women consistently turn to you for guidance, it's a sign that they find your wisdom and life experience to be compelling. They see you as someone who has navigated the world with grace and intelligence, and they want to learn from your journey. Embrace these moments as opportunities to share your knowledge and insights. By offering thoughtful, empathetic advice, you'll deepen their fascination and strengthen the bond between you. 4. They compliment your wisdom. Another clear sign that women find you fascinating is when they frequently compliment your wisdom and knowledge. They may express admiration for your insights, praise your problem-solving skills, or acknowledge the depth of your understanding on various topics. When women compliment your wisdom, it's because they're genuinely impressed by your intellect and life experience. They see you as someone who has a wealth of knowledge to share and a unique perspective that they find captivating. Pay attention to the specific things they praise. Do they marvel at your ability to analyze complex situations? Do they appreciate the way you draw connections between seemingly unrelated ideas? Do they find your storytelling skills engaging and insightful? These specific compliments can give you a sense of what they find most fascinating about you. Receiving compliments about your wisdom can be a humbling experience, but it's important to accept them graciously. Acknowledge their kind words and express your appreciation for their recognition of your knowledge and insights. Remember, when women consistently praise your wisdom, it's because they find your mind and your experiences to be truly captivating. Embrace these compliments as a reflection of the fascinating qualities that you bring to your interactions with them. If these dating tips are helping you, Imagine what a personalized strategy session could do. Click the like button, drop us a comment, and don't forget to book your free strategy call to discover how to meet more women and date with assurance. The link is in the pinned comment. 5. They listen intently. A surefire sign that women find you fascinating is when they listen intently to every word you say. They're fully engaged in your conversations, hanging on your every word and showing genuine interest in your thoughts and opinions. When women are truly fascinated by you, they'll give you their undivided attention. They'll maintain eye contact, nod along as you speak, and ask follow-up questions to deepen the conversation. They're not just hearing your words, they're actively processing and engaging with your ideas. Pay attention to their body language and reactions as you speak. Do they lean in closer, as if drawn to your every word? Do they express emotions that mirror your own, laughing at your jokes or empathizing with your stories? These are all signs that they're fully invested in the conversation and find you utterly captivating. When women listen intently to you, it's a sign of respect and admiration. They value your thoughts and ideas, and they believe that they have something to learn from you. They find your perspective refreshing, insightful, and compelling. If you find that women consistently give you their full attention and engage deeply with your conversations, take it as a compliment. Your words and your presence have a powerful effect on them, and they find you truly fascinating. 6. They remember little details. A subtle but significant sign that women find you fascinating is when they remember small details about you and your life. They may bring up a minor story you told weeks ago, recall a passing comment you made about your favorite book, or ask about a hobby you briefly mentioned. When women remember these little details, it's because they're genuinely interested in you and your life. They're not just listening to your words. They're absorbing and retaining the information you share, no matter how insignificant it may seem. Paying attention to these small details demonstrates that they find you memorable and captivating. They're not just going through the motions of conversation. They're actively engaging with you and trying to understand what makes you tick. When women bring up these little details in future conversations, it's a sign that they've been thinking about you and reflecting on your interactions. They find your life and your experiences fascinating, and they want to learn more about what shapes your perspective. If you find that women consistently remember and bring up small details about you, take it as a sign of their deep interest and fascination. Your life and your stories have made a lasting impact on them, and they find you truly unforgettable. 7. They make an effort to impress you. A final sign that women find you fascinating is when they make a noticeable effort to impress you. They may put extra care into their appearance when they know they'll see you, dress up for occasions where you'll be present, or make sure to highlight their own accomplishments and successes in your conversations. When women go out of their way to impress you, it's because they want to be seen as attractive, interesting, and worthy of your attention. They believe that you have high standards and discerning tastes, and they want to show you that they can meet or exceed those expectations. Pay attention to the ways in which they try to impress you. Do they make sure to wear outfits that they know you'll appreciate? Do they share stories about their own achievements or talents, hoping to catch your interest? Do they make an effort to engage with your hobbies or interests, demonstrating their own knowledge or skill? These efforts to impress you are a sign that they find you fascinating and want to be seen as fascinating in return. They believe that by showcasing their own qualities and accomplishments, they'll deepen your interest and admiration for them. If you find that women consistently make an effort to impress you, take it as a compliment. Your opinion and your attention matter to them, and they find you so captivating that they're willing to go the extra mile to catch your eye and leave a lasting impression. So now that you know how to spot those signs, what's next for you? Discover the signs you're an attractive older guy, or learn the things younger women love that few men do. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.